This type for the pipe is the jointed pipe. The front part is copper material, and the nuts is copper material. But from this part is aluminum material. This aluminum is very soft. This one is very soft. It's 1000 series aluminum. The problem for this type of pipe is this joint part will get broken after you use after use sometimes, and the pressure for this joint is cannot bear a higher pressure. So for now we not use this pipe now, and this is our new type for the pipe. All these pipe are made of aluminum material. It's 3 solid series aluminum, and but this nut is copper nut. This is copper nut, and the color we doing this color is copper color. This one no have joint. It's a whole pipe no have joint, so can bear a higher pressure. Can bear high pressure. Okay.